Hi everyone, and welcome in today's lesson, which is going to be download. So we're first of all going to go into our app store, whatever app store you have, and just type in MT4 and search for it. The first thing you're going to find here is MetaTrader 4. So as soon as you go into MetaTrader 4, you're going to want to download that thing. Now once you download it, it's going to bring you to something that looks a lot like this. This again is your screen of MetaTrader. Now, as you can see, these are the currency pairs that I currently have. If you click this plus button up here, you can add more currency pairs as you please, depending on your broker, right? You just click the plus button on them and that'll add them. Okay? The spread shows you how many spreads in pipettes there is for each pair. So not pips, that's pipettes. Then it also shows you the current buy and sell price for each of these currency pairs. The big numbers that you see like at the very top, that's 0, 2, those are of course the pips. The one after it is the pipettes. It measures for you. So as you're going through this, what you're going to want to do to get a new broker set up is go to settings, go to trade accounts, click on the plus sign, and then click log into existing account. Okay? Now depending what account you have, they'll probably have emailed you what kind of server it is. So let's say if you were with the Traders Way, you're going to type in Traders Way live. Okay, and then you're going to enter in your login password that they entered you, as well as the login and password, and then save it. Once you click on the sign in, you should be signed in. You should have an account. For instance, let me just log into this one to show you as an example. Now you have an account, and you can run through it. If you click on chart, this will show you the active chart or where the chart is. As you can see on the side, you can click and see all the different hourly charts or minute charts, whatever chart you want to view. What those charts means, of course, the candlesticks that you saw and that we were talking about will be determined by each of those time frames. It means each of these candlesticks you see is 15 minutes. If I go on the 1 minute chart, each of these is now 1 minute. Okay? So that's why you see it moving a lot more. Let's see if we go to the hourly, that means now each one is an hour, and so on and so forth. Okay? You can add different things to your charts, which we'll be able to go over if you want on mobile here. As you can see, there's also different indicators you can add if you wanted to here. All these different indicators that are built in preset for you that you'll be able to use. Those are things which you'll draw on the market and basically help determine the volume of the market. That's what drawing tools and indicators are. You can, of course, go into your account size. You can go into your trade history and all of that as well. So basically all of this is where you can go with your MetaTrader once you have it hooked up. You can of course customize your charts as well as you like, clicking on charts. Of course keep it on candlesticks, but you can change the colors and things like that if you want, however you like. This is my color scheme. If you guys want to screenshot this or pause and change yours to this same colors, that's just what I prefer. It's the easiest color scheme. And of course my scheme is technically it's custom, but it was first black on white and then I customized it. So hopefully this helped you guys understand how to now attach your broker to your MetaTrader 4, how to download the MetaTrader 4, and just a quick navigation through it so you understand how it works. We will see you at the next lesson.